Hello everyone, my name is Cassiana and I'm a member of the Data School DS33 cohort at the Information Lab. Today we're going to learn how to add an export button option for our dashboard so that the user can easily download this as a PDF. And you can also find links and other materials which are relevant to this video if you check the description bar from below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So right now, this is the dashboard that I have. As you can see, I don't have an option to download this as a PDF now. But what I can do is I can just go to dashboard and I can just simply drag and drop this download feature from over here. And I'm going to choose to put this one on the right hand side like this. Now, if I click on edit button here, you can see I either have the option to keep the current setting, so I can keep this as a text or I can put image. But as a preference, I would like this to be an image. So I'm going to pick image and I'm going to click on choose. And I already have an icon which was downloaded. I'm going to put that icon in here. And if you click on here, you can see that you also have the option to download this as a PowerPoint image or crossed up. But for this example, I'm going to keep this to be a PDF. And as a tooltip, I want to leave some instructions. So I'm just going to say, click on this to export. And I'm going to click OK. Here we go. I have this icon. So I'm just going to minimize this. I'm just going to put it and leave it on the right hand corner. And you can see here as I hover over, I have this instruction. So it says that I need to click on this to export. So let's go ahead and click. As you can see here, you can either print the entire workbook or the active sheet, but in this case, I'm just going to leave this to be an active sheet that I have. And for the paper size, I'm just going to leave this to be unspecified for now. And I'm going to click on OK. Just need to save this into my folder. And here we go. I have this saved as a PDF. As you can see here, this is the dashboard that I have. So it's really straightforward, very easy to use, very user-friendly, and also very good for design, as you can see here. All right, so that's it from me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for any other videos that we might post. Thank you so much for watching.